What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So a few weeks ago I promised you guys I'll show you a drop servicing video, and today I'm going to show you one of the easiest methods to make money online in 2022. So yeah, stay tuned for this. Before we get started, I just want to say we are starting a website where we will be doing premium courses showing you an exact method of making money. We just decided we've got so much information in our heads that we need to share. So for the first month or so, it's going to be limited to about 50 people. So if you're interested, just drop a comment down below and say interested, and then we'll invite you to the Discord so we can get you booked. But yeah, and if I go too fast, I'm really sorry. It's just like I feel people already understand this stuff. Maybe you guys don't, but I'm gonna try to explain as slowly as possible. Okay, so for today, we're gonna use logos and drop servicing. So as you know, drop servicing is, well, we've got a video on drop servicing. I'll just link it down below. And if you see this, my glove, I got stitches earlier this morning. So yeah, the reason I've got the sorry, I'm just reading something. The reason I got the glove on is because I'm terrible with bandages. I just keep taking them off, so yeah. But anyway, let's get started. So today we're going to use two websites, two of them. But before we get started, remember, whenever you are doing drops, shipping, drop servicing, affiliate marketing, anything online actually, you need anything where there's money involved. You need some type of internet security. I use NordVPN. It's quite nice. I've used ExpressVPN as well, but I've had a few issues with them. So I use NordVPN, and if you would like a discount code, I've got a 63% off discount code for you guys down below in the description. Use it, don't use it, whatever you guys want to do. But yeah, let's get into this video. So today we are going to be creating a logo, and we're going to sell logos. And now you're looking at me and saying, Trax, I don't know how to sell a logo. I don't know how to make a logo. That's why we're here, dude. I also don't, well, I'm a graphic designer. I actually designed that ITN logo. But for most of the logos I've sold in my life, I've never used, I've never created a logo. Like I think 95% of the logos, 95% of the money I've made from graphic designing isn't my own work. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this today. So first off, sorry, let me just create my screen here. Okay, so we're back. Sorry about that, technical difficulty. Anyway, so we're going to go to upworks.com. I just created a fake account real quick just to give you, just to show you around. But basically the account creation takes about 15-20 minutes. It's easy to set up. Just say you're a logo designer and whatnot. And if you want to be smart, instead of writing your own stuff, go on Upworks, search for logo designer. Look at the guy that's on top, 4 or 5-star rating. Copy his profile, go to Quillbots and press enter. And if he says, I'm a good logo designer, you obviously don't want to get plagiarized, so you say paraphrase, and I'm a skilled logo creator. Okay, perfect. That's your description. This is just a quick example. Don't use it like that, but yeah. And then you go, as soon as you are done creating your account, then you click on find work. You scroll down. Here's jobs you might like. It's best matches. Here's a guy that wants to charge, look here, I need a business logo. He's charging $1,600. $1,600 for a business logo. Okay, that sounds like a lot, eh? But you can't design a $1,600 logo. Oh, yes, you can. Now, the second link I'm going to share to you is a link to Fiverr. Fiverr is also a freelancing website. So basically, you go here on Fiverr. Let's look at this guy. I will design a stunning brand style guide and professional logo. Okay, so this is in South African rands. That works. That's about $200. let's say $150 if I'm doing the conversion correctly. But yeah, you click on him, you say you literally copy, as soon as you get the proposal, you submit the proposal, tell him why you are the best. So instead of saying you want $1,600, you tell him, dude, you've got $1,600 to spend, but rather use $600 on advertising. Only charge me only pay me $1,000. First of all, it seems like you're losing money. No, you're not. This guy's definitely gonna take the guy with the lowest amount of the guy that charges the lowest amount, which is gonna be you, because no one in their right mind will throw away $600, but you will, and I'll show you why. So basically, when you go over to that second website, the second link in the description after NordVPN, it will take you here. It will give you 20% discount. So for this, let's say you take this. This guy on Upwork tells you he wants this, and this in his logo. You say, okay, cool. Give me a day or two, and I'll be done. I'll give you your logo. You send it. You come over here. You tell this guy you want this in your logo. You pay him $150. 2 days later, now you go chill, watch Netflix. 2 days later, you get your logo. You go back to Upworks. You send him the logo. He pays you $1,000. What did you do? You basically did nothing, and you just made what? $850 profit. And the amazing thing is, if you use this method of lowering your price with almost 50% of what they want, you know, if you lower your price so much, you are most definitely going to get it. And if you send 20 proposals a day, and let's say you work on a 50% conversion rate, you get 10 proposals, and you get 10 of these, you know, let's say you charge, let's say on average $500 profit. You make $500 profit. Okay, that's perfect. If you get, that's $5,000 that you can get in a day if you do this method correctly. I can't say that I've ever actually gone that high with this method. Actually, I'm not using drop servicing at the moment. I've got people doing it for me with websites. So I don't have this big jobs like logos. I do big jobs in a sense of website designing, but it takes like a month for my freelancers to do it and everything, and then I get paid like 20 USD once in profits. But that's just, I mean, if you're not interested in logos or whatever, go get something else. There's tons of stuff you can do on Upworks. There's tons of stuff you can do, which is so nice. So I just used logos because it's easier, if I can say it like that. But yeah, this is such an easy method that you can make money. You will be, if you don't try this, you're actually not looking for money. This is a confirmed method for making money. And then, oh, before we go, I actually want to show you guys one more thing. I'm also going to leave a link for this. So this website is a logo designing website that designs logos. I think you pay like 30 euros a month, and it designs a logo for you. So let's say our business is called IBT. That's something random. If it means something to you guys, I'm so sorry. You can use a slogan, and our slogan, oh, we don't have a slogan, okay. And what is your logo for? Let's say sports. Okay. Surprised me on the colors. Okay, so after you do this, it's so easy. You get your logo. I can't show you right now because I'm not logged in, and if I log into my account, I'm gonna show you all my logos, which I can't do. But anyway, yeah, it's like 30 pounds a month. So once you get started and you don't want to work through a freelance anymore, they take too long, whatnot, then you just use this app. I've also got a discount code for you down below, so use it to your advantage. And yeah, this is quite an easy method to make money. I'll show you one tomorrow again. Let me know what type of thing you want to see. If you want to see affiliate marketing, another drop servicing video, drop shipping, print on demand, YouTube, anything. But yeah, apologies if if I went a bit too fast. I know that tends to happen. And yeah, if you guys want to join our courses, we are going to do in-depth courses. Our actual first course that we created was 4 hours long, so that's quite nice. But if you want to join one of those courses, if you are interested, you're also getting a certificate saying you completed affiliate marketing course or drop servicing, drop shipping course, which can actually go on your resume. So do consider it, and if you want to join, just type in the comments interested or booked or whatever, and I'll send you the Discord link. Also check out our Instagram and our TikTok. It's brand new, where we post daily money making stuff. You can check it out, it's down below. And yeah guys, I'll check you guys in the next video.